Hi, have you ever felt a bit confused about what are the most important things you should be doing to, to build your online business? I recently listened into a webinar, and I came away with three very important points. And these things I think are important because they really form the foundation of what you do in this business. It doesn't matter what else you do, but you'll discover at the root of it all, these are the things that you actually are doing. Now, the three tips that I want to share with you are this. First, when we come into this business, we tend to want to immediately promote our products and services to our audiences. But sooner or later, we will find that it really doesn't work that way, because people only do business with people they know, like, and trust. And if you have not built that credibility yet, it's a little difficult, unlikely that people will trust you enough to do business with you. So the three major points that came across to me were: one, first of all, you have to build an audience. Second, you have to engage that audience. And then after you've engaged the audience, thirdly, you can sell to the audience in that order. Now, building an audience is important, aka as in building a list. I think we have all heard the saying that, the money is in the list and the fortune is in the follower. Now, it's important to build the list, you'll discover, because this is where you'll get most of your patronage or whatever. So building this is important, and a very valuable way to build this list is to run Facebook likes ad, and because this allows you to, when you learn more about Facebook, this allows you to build what is called a custom audience. So with the custom audience, building a custom audience, you're going to build a list of persons who are more likely to be interested in what you're offering, because you have targeted their interests and in their location, their geographic location, and all of that. So one way to build the list is through the Facebook likes ad. Another way is to, of course, in time you'll have a blog. So use your blog to provide valuable content, and send your visitors to your blog, and after you provide them with content, then you can direct them to a squeeze page where they can see what it is you're offering, and more than likely they will take you on then. Now, after building your audience, the next thing you need to do is to engage that audience. Now, there are various ways to engage your audience. Of course, you write blog posts, so whether they are written posts or video posts. You can do surveys, which you can check in with your audience to see what it is they're really interested in. You can do webinars. You can even call them. Of course, there's the email. You should email your list, and most of the gurus say you should email your list every single day. Now, there are also other things like podcasts and numerous ways and videos. But the whole point is to be engaging your audience, talking to them, getting them to respond to you, and getting to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And only after your audience has that, you build that rapport with the audience, then it will be more likely that they will listen to you, and then you can try forwarding them or directing them to your offers. And they're more likely to buy from you when you have developed this sense of trust and credibility. So those are the 3 points, because basically when you are building a business, there are lots of other things you will do, but at the foundation of it all, to really be successful, you have to build an audience, engage that audience, and after engaging the audience, you can now try to sell to them. And then in that case, you really won't have to sell. There will be no hard sell, because having trusted you, they're no more likely to take your recommendations. So it will be more they're naturally buying from you rather than you selling them. Hope you got some value from this. Thanks for watching. You may leave a comment if you so wish. See you next time. Bye for now.